So you're sitting there in your Ford EcoSport, maybe running late for work, and suddenly the anti-theft system has locked you out. No radio, no engine start, just a dashboard that looks like it lost a bet with a Christmas tree. Welcome to modern car security fun. It's always a little humbling when your car decides it doesn't trust you anymore. The common pain point? You just changed the battery, swapped a key fob, or maybe accidentally tripped the alarm. But now, the EcoSport acts like you're an international jewel thief. Let's talk step 1. Check your key. Yes, really. Sometimes the simplest fixes are the most overlooked. Make sure you're using an original programmed Ford key. Aftermarket keys can confuse modern immobilizers and will just leave you yelling at the steering wheel. Next, open the driver's door with the physical key, not the fob. Once inside, close all the doors. Insert the key in the ignition if you have a push-button start, hold the fob near the button instead, and turn it to the on position. Just on, not start. Numbers say this fixes nearly 30% of lockouts. Here's where patience pays. Leave the key on for about 10 minutes. Imagine this like a timeout for both you and your car. You'll see the anti-theft light blinking. Don't touch anything. This process lets the system reset itself, like Control-Alt-Delete for your Ford. When the anti-theft light on your dashboard turns off or stops blinking, you're ready for step 5. Turn the key back to off. Wait a few seconds, then try to start the car. Sprinkle in a little hope for good measure. If it starts, you're golden. If it doesn't budge, here's a pro tip. Try the entire process one more time. Sometimes it takes 2 full cycles for the immobilizer to get over its trust issues. And if you're still locked out, you might be facing a deeper electronic gremlin. Hello, dealership. For push-button start owners, you want to hold the fob directly up to the button, foot on the brake, and press start. Ford designed this so that even with a weak fob battery, it transmits just enough signal for a reset. Annoying, but kind of clever. Now let's talk common mistakes. Disconnecting and reconnecting your battery randomly in hopes of a miracle can actually make matters worse, sometimes triggering a full system lockdown. Try to avoid stacking pain with more pain. If the dashboard says key not detected or flashes a padlock icon, grab your backup key and repeat the steps. Having 2 programmed keys is insurance against a random lockout disaster that costs $250 to tow and $180 for a dealer reset. Pro move. If you regularly face anti-theft headaches, invest in an OBD2 scanner with Ford-specific software. 1 in 5 EcoSport owners find out their immobilizer throws error codes that are easy to clear at home, saving you a ton of hassle and cash. And yes, for those of us in Portland, OR, or anywhere rainy and damp, moisture can actually play tricks on the security systems. If your car's acting up after a downpour, dry out the fob and try all these steps again inside your garage. Finally, if you're ever locked out in a sketchy area or at night, don't waste time. You're better off calling roadside assistance. Safety matters more than saving a few bucks, and sometimes your EcoSport just needs a literal pro to remind it who's boss.